Rajesh sir and Kumar sir and my friends. I will discuss three-phase optical communication. Before I go to slide, I give some summary of the three-phase optical communication. First, what is the communication? Communication means the messages of information that transfer from one place to another. If I click the right symbol, you can call that is a right answer. If I cross symbol, then you can call that is a wrong answer. So it is a transformation of messages from one place to another. In machine or technology, there is available in two communication. That is the optical fiber communication, and one is a wireless communication. Then comes to optical communication system. There is a huge in transmitter and one is a receiver. Medium is the optical fiber. The message is transmitted via the optical fiber. But optical fiber in optical communication system, the bandwidth is very high. So bandwidth is proportionally to transmission speed. Bandwidth is proportional to transmission speed. If the high bandwidth, then speed is maximum. If the low bandwidth, the speed is minimum. In optical communication system, the bandwidth is high, so the network speed is high as compared to wireless communication system. Wireless communication system is bandwidth is low. In that media, wireless communication system, the wireless meaning what? Meaning that there is a no wire required for transmission. So if we require from transmit the messages or audio, video, whatever, then we require a transmitter and a receiver that collect the messages from transmitter to receiver via the wireless. It is due to band which is low, so the speed of the communication is low. Then we come to three-phase optical communication system. The disadvantage of optical communication and wireless communication, if we take to both the communication of advantage, then we combine the wireless optical communication or three-phase optical communication system. Then three-phase optical communication having transmitter and a wireless, it is a wireless communication, so there is no required for optical fiber. Then it is passes from message from one satellite to another satellite via atmosphere or space or air or whatever. Then we go to the slide first. The outline introduction, what is the optical fiber communication, block diagram, what is the wireless communication, then three-phase optical communication, block diagram, application and advantage. Communication are two types, optical communication and wireless communication. Future communication will be three-phase communication system. Using three-phase communication technology, data is transmitted by propagation of light to atmosphere or space communication along optical connectivity. What is the optical fiber communication? A communication system that uses light as a carrier of information from a source to its destination. So a guided fiber cable is called optical fiber communication system. The transformation, the information carrying capacity of communication system is directly proportional to the bandwidth. The wider the bandwidth, greater is the information carrying capacity. Light frequency used in fiber optical system are between 10 to the power 15 to 14 Hertz. As a result, they have higher information carrying capacity. The transmission of light in optical fiber involves the phenomena of total internal reflection at the interference between the core and lagging. Here is the block diagram. The information will be passed the voice or video. Here is a converter, that is the coding, and the pulse will be added to the light source used in LEDs or laser from optical fiber to connect the receiver. Here is a photo detector to collect the light source to convert electrical signal, and here an amplifier. The amplification is possible, then receiver, and the pulse is decoded, and the original signal is found at the voice or video. Then advantage of optical fiber: the transmission bandwidth of optical communication is high. It is a strong, reliable, and flexible. Less interference. Power loss is very low. Longer transmission distance. Thin and lightweight. And disadvantage is production and installation cost is high. High maintenance. Fragility and installation is difficult. Wireless communication. What is the wireless communication? Wireless communication is the transmission of voice and data without cable or wire. In place of physical connection, data travels through electromagnetic signals broadcast from sending facilities to intermediate and end user devices. Here is a Venn diagram of the input signal and transmission. There is no wire need for wireless communication and receiver, then output signal. The advantage will be freedom from wire, easy to set up, cost effective, low maintenance. Disadvantage: it is a limited amount of bandwidth for communication. Wireless network can be easily hacked and it is less secure. Free space optical communication. This wireless communication bandwidth is low and optical communication requires high cost installation. To reduce this type of limitation, we can combine the two communication, that is optical plus wireless equals to wireless optical communication, or it is represented as free space optical communication. Wireless optical communication is also known as free space optical communication. Free space optical communication is an optical communication technology that uses light propagation in free space, wireless transmission data for telecommunication or computer networking. Free space means air, outer space, vacuum, something similar. Free space system should have the ability to operate at high power level or longer distance. For high speed free space communication system, high speed modulation is important. An overall system design should have small footprint and low power consumption because of its maintenance. The block diagram is not visible for information source. Here is the modulator and here is the transmitter. The information source is modulating by the high frequency. Due to long distance transmitter and receiver, we require more power to generate here. So modulator is convert the high frequency that we need to transmit a longer distance. So here is transmitter and collect the receiver. Receiver part is consists of photo detector. Here is a LED or similar case in optical fiber. In similar block diagram of optical fiber and free space optical communication. Here the wireless, it is a wireless communication. The channel will be wireless. It is not connected with optical fiber. So you receive the collect the information and demodulate and information sync to collect the what is the message sent from information source. How FSO work is similar. Network traffic converted into pulse of individual light response once or zero digit, and it is transmitted from that point. It is a duplexing. It means the receiver will be high antenna because of it is a light source. This transmitter part is so small and receiving the capacity of that part is high. If we can collect all the information at that background, but there is a disadvantage of this optical communication here. There is free space optical communication having in atmosphere. Atmosphere consists of water molecules, smoke or air that is water molecules absorb the information from that power. This is the main advantage, disadvantage of the free space optical communication system. That is the application. It is a chip to chip communication system, and here you will be use the windows optical communication. That means we transmit your transmitter, it collect the window in receiver part and connect the mobiles and laptops or different sorts. Here is the building to building communication system, optical communication system, and here is a satellite communication system, and aeroplane to ground communication system. There is the advantage. As it use air as a transport medium, no permission is needed for transmit of laser beam. Instead is the license is operation. Installation is easy and fast. Moreover, maintenance time is short. The cost is moderate. It is ability to operate at a high power level. It offer higher bit rate and lower bit error rate. The system is immune to EMF interference. Is the reference? And thank you.